Today, I will teach you how to create a group email list in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I want you to do is log into your Gmail account. Once that's done, I want you to scroll to the right side where you see this sidebar here. And once you get to contacts, I want you to click on that. Once you click on contacts, I want you to click on this arrow that says open a new tab. And this is where the magic happens. Now, to create a group email list, you need to ensure that you've added contacts to your email list. And these contacts that you've added, you're going to go to the left sidebar of the contacts page and you're going to create a new label. You click on save and now you have your new label here. So for this label, let's add Mark Zuckerberg and Jensen Huang to our test contact label. Now you can see here that it's updated to 2 contacts, but I'd still like you to refresh the page and see that it's actually updated to 2. Then you go to your Gmail and you click on compose. When you come to the recipient of the email that you want to send, here you're going to type in the name of the group. And once you type in the name of the group, Google is going to suggest the label to you. And you see here it has 2 members, Mark Zuckerberg and Jensen Huang. And that's how you create a group list in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.